iReader is snapping necks and cashing checks recently. They just released 2 new units after having already released a new unit. They are steamrolling in the industry right now. This is the iReader Neo. It is the latest 2023 model. It is a small e-reader and it is a 32 gigabyte. You can see on the front they call it the Neo, but it's also, if you look at it from the bottom left to the top right, it says new. Isn't that funny? You have a foam insert on the inside and a little pull strip here. Unfortunately, they're still using this plastic stuff. We don't really like that, but it is what it is. Little nice decorative ribbon and also usable to pull the device out. You have your documentation in there. I don't think there should be a little SIM card puller tool thing, but that is what is going on inside there. And you have a USB-C port and, well, USB-C cable to go in the USB-C port like so. So hold on to all this stuff. You're going to need all of that. Putting this off to the side, what do we have here for the unit? This is a 6-inch model, everybody. Look at that. That looks really nice. I don't know what's going on with this one, to be honest, because it just came out and we're just doing an unboxing now, but it is a high capacity 32 gigabyte storage unit, and it does have pogo pins, which are the 4 little copper contacts on the back unit utilized for peripherals. Could be a numerous amount of things. I doubt there's going to be a micro keyboard. That just is not something they would do, but cases, things with like physical page turn button cases, they usually do that. There's not going to be any audio things because they already have audio on board. That's something iReader has always given you guys as a little bit of a bonus, is onboard audio. Now looking at this, it doesn't look particularly amazing. It looks good. It's just, it's cookie cutter as can be. It's black with a added extended bezel at the bottom, and that's basically it. Back kind of graphite-y plastic on the back, nothing on the right side, nothing on the left side, USB down below with a microphone, I would imagine, because it does have TTS and recording capabilities, and the orange button up top with a speaker. I don't know if there's 1 speaker in there or 2 in the same speaker package, but we are going to turn this on all the same and do a first time boot up just to show you guys what it's all about. You know, it did take a long time, but we finally got iReader to put English on not only the devices moving forward, but everything backlogged too, like the C6, the XS, the XS Pro, etc. So it's all in full English now, which is fantastic. We needed to see that, because for these guys to be a legitimate player in the scope, and they're a legitimate player in mainland China, don't get us wrong, these guys are massive. They white label their things out. In fact, they make tips for other devices like the Remarkable, for example. These guys even outsource their store to companies like Hisense, etc., because the iReader store is that big. So this is likely the biggest e-reader company you've never heard of, and we've done coverage on these guys for, oh, I don't even know now, probably 5-6 years. So these guys are definitely very big. This is going to be a fun review. It's a little guy here, and for the most part, you know what? Manufacturers don't even like making 6 inches anymore. Most of the manufacturers, even Amazon, has moved 75% of its devices away from 6 inches. Bigme and Hisense and Dasung and all these guys don't even make 6-inch devices, so it will be interesting to see how a 6-inch ebook reader performs in 2023. For now, this is everything that comes in the box with the brand new iReader Neo. This is 2023, off to a great Q2 start. Everyone, have a great day.